Hey guys, let's see how to fix the H88 camera not working when you see a blue flashing light and the camera also vibrates, okay? I can check this with a computer and I can also check here with my cell phone and the camera itself. Let me just explain how basically it works. You need to have an SD card into the camera, otherwise it's not gonna work. So when you grab the camera and you turn it on, you're gonna see the LED here. And the LED needs to stay steady blue. And it's not right now, it's flashing blue. And there's some vibration as well. I can feel the camera vibrating. Okay? So you just need to check the SD card. Just need to come here and open this rubber flap and check if there's an SD card here. So there's none. So that's the reason the camera is flashing like this and it's also vibrating. So let me just turn it off to insert an SD card. It's safe that way. Just make sure it's off. Open here to insert the SD card. Here I have a Lexar with 32 gigabytes. I'll leave the link in the description. It's a good SD card, right? It's also a fast one. You just need to check if the SD card is fast as well. And the capacity as well. If you have like a high capacity card, like 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, it's not gonna work, because the camera will not take it, right? So to insert here, you just face the way, flip it, and insert here into the slot. Then you just push it with your fingernails. You hear a click, it's good. Just close here the rubber flap and turn the camera on one more time. Just press and hold. And now I see that it's steady blue. But you're not done yet, just need to press here to start recording. So press once and just observe. Now it's flashing orange and blue, so it's not recording, okay? So something is wrong yet. You just need to format the SD card. So you see the camera turns off by itself. So what I have to do here is just connect the camera to a cell phone and use the app to format the card, or you can format using a computer. Let's try here first with the camera itself. So just turn it on again. And then this time you're gonna press twice, pretty fast like this, double press. There we go, now it's flashing light blue. So the camera is waiting to connect to the cell phone. So just come here. And first, you just need to come here to the Wi-Fi settings and look for the camera's Wi-Fi signal. You're gonna use the camera as a hotspot and connect directly to the camera. Here we go, that's the signal from the camera. I just tap on it, come back here, and I'm gonna open this Sports DV app. There we go, if you see the play button, that means the camera is ready to go. You see here, it's steady light blue, so it means it's ready to go. And also see here the play button, right? Let me just press here, and you see that's now live, it's working. Pretty good. Now you can come here to the settings to format the card. So I come here to the settings, and I see format SD card available. And I press here, all data on the SD card will be deleted. That's the message. I just hit OK. And it's formatting the SD card, right? Let me just do this twice. So I make sure that I'm formatting the SD card. I got the message there that finishes, right? And then let me just close this one more time. And now let's just press and see if it records. Now I just observe, now I have another error here. Now it's flashing green and blue. So it's not recording yet. Okay, let me just turn this off. So what's happened here is that the app is not formatting the way it needs to format the SD card, right? So I'm going to remove from here and format into my computer. There we go. So I just need to insert here. I have a Windows computer. You can format in a Mac computer as well. Just insert here and come here to my Windows computer, and the card pops up. And I come here, right click and format. And here you're gonna see the file system. Just select here EXFAT, hit start, okay, wait for it to complete, and it's done. Okay, so I just close here, open the Windows Explorer, File Explorer, and then just right click here on the card and select eject. There we go. Then I just remove the card from here and insert into the camera again. Just open the flap, flip the card like this, and insert it here. So I just here click, close it, and I just press the button to turn it on one more time. Steady blue, so good to go, and one press to start recording. Now it's flashing and it's recording because I didn't double press. I know it's a little bit confusing because if you double press, the camera is going to change to the setup mode, right? But if I press once and it's flashing blue as well, it means it's recording. It's a little bit confusing, but that's the way it works, right? So basically, it should be recording right now. I'll just press one more time and it stops recording. And now I can just come here to the camera and check. Again, to connect to the camera, double press. There we go, it's flashing light blue. And it flashes pretty fast when it's in the setup mode, right? Or in the connection mode. So I come here to my Wi-Fi one more time, look for the camera. If it's not here, just need to wait or come here to the Wi-Fi settings. There we go, it's here. Then I just connect to the camera and I come here to open the Sports DV app. So see here, the play button, it's good. And here, it's light flash, so it's ready for the connection. So I just put it here, hit play, and I can come here to play the videos. So I just come here to video and into the SD card. Just don't forget to come here, and then you see the video there, okay? And it's working. Flashing and it's recording because I didn't double press. I know it. Okay, so it's basically working. I'm camera shy, so I'm just blurring out everything here, but it's basically working. Okay, so super simple. I'll just come back here to the live feed from the camera. So it's basically working live and it's also recording. Okay, so super simple. So that's the way you can fix this problem with the H88 flashing blue and it's also vibrating. And when you don't have an SD card, it's not gonna work. Then you need to insert an SD card, format using the software. Sometimes it works, depending on the firmware that you have. My camera is not working, so I just need to remove the SD card, format into the computer using the EXFAT file system, put back into the camera, turn it on, and press once to start recording, okay? A little bit confusing the lights here, right? But it works if you just pay attention on what you're doing, right? So hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.